Okay, this is one clip out of that previous video, and this is April 25th. But I've got a daylight May 8th passing of this black SUV that I think was the one that just passed and is in this nighttime April 25th clip. So once we get to the end of this little clip, we will see the daylight clip that is on May the 8th. Slow motion there, passing. Now we're going to see another angle showing the right still photo here. We're going to have a camera showing that, and we'll see the decal on the window and the tilted license plate. So you see he's putting the noise out. It's way down the road in front of other homes. So there we go. While I'm putting together this video, sitting quietly inside my home at 8:41 p.m. Saturday night, this comes by, shaking and rattling the whole house. And it turns out it's a car and then a white Tahoe. So let's watch this. I did go out after this later that evening and found some of the drivers and talked with them. I didn't find the drivers of these vehicles that I know of, but I spoke with some of them. They all know each other. And I did learn that this was directed at a certain person in a certain home, not me, but near me. And I thought, well, that's great, but not so great, because we all have to hear it. But the other thing is, it's an admission that they are intending to target, shock, alarm, and harass people with the noise. So that's a different animal than simply no muffler equipment violation. So we can't just go by the existing laws because they're not addressing this type of behavior. That's why I think we need adjustments to our laws. One of the things these drivers do when you go talk with them is they claim that they swap trucks around or share trucks, and no one can take responsibility or culpability because they don't ever admit who's driving the truck at this point in time. And the same scenario is the difficulty of the police officer having he has to personally witness the event happen. This event happened while he's on duty, and before he can issue any kind of action against it. So there's the way they're getting away with it. Whether that's true if they swap trucks around, who knows? But the end result is no one can prove who's driving the truck. And that's where the owner-onus principle of pursuing this can come in. If we can identify the vehicle by camera and then just have that follow the owner of the registered owner of the truck, that would be just like a way a parking ticket or a red light camera or a toll bridge or toll road camera does. It doesn't matter who's driving the vehicle gets the citation issued. Anyway, thank you for watching, listening.